If that was in the sales funnel, you'd text and then they wouldn't respond. We'd call them. We'd probably call them 5 to 8 times, a decent amount of times. Our auto dialer will dial 3 to 5 numbers the entire time and it stays on all day. And so we'll go through a list between 3 and 8 times. And going through a list means we'll call every number in that list between 3 and 8 times, depending on the answer rate and how many spam boxes we get sent to and how many times we get sent to voicemail. We have an algorithm to tell us how strong that list is. But yeah, we'll call 3 to 8 times. If they don't answer at all, never answered, didn't respond to text, they would still get mail. And the reason they get mail is that there's still someone at that address we haven't got an answer from. The main purpose of data is to get a disposition for each record. And so you just hammer it. You send them text. If no, then you call them 5 times. If no, then you send mail right to their doorstep. If still no, then that's most of the time is the case, actually. 15,000 records, most of those people aren't going to respond to any of it. No response. You take them out of the follow-up pool. Our goal is to get an answer. And if someone's not interested, that's great because now we don't have to waste resources contacting them anymore. We have an answer. And so if they respond back in the first at the top of the funnel and text and say no, then they don't have to be called and they don't have to be emailed. It saves time.